Happy Friday, Los Al USD. I'm Nicole Pichardo, and this is your wrap-up for Friday, September 13th, 2024. We'll start this week's episode of the wrap-up with a little flashback to last Saturday when our middle school choirs from both Oak and McAuliffe performed at the annual Seal Beach Arts and Crafts Fair. This is not the first time they've performed at the fair, and it's always such a joy to see soloists and group performances from both choirs. In other middle school news, our Oak Lions and McAuliffe Eagles have had a blast with their fall fundraisers, and we're continually amazed by the generosity of our community. To celebrate Oak Lions hitting their $45,000 fundraiser goal, the Oak administrators took one for the team, Double Dare style. Students and teachers had a blast sliming them in a fun-filled morning that brought excitement and school spirit to new heights. Moving on to other news, at this week's Board of Education meeting, we had the privilege of hearing from Girl Scout Troop 8186 as they presented their incredible Bronze Award project. Earlier this year, they installed a free little community library in front of Hawkinson Elementary School, and this week they shared their journey and impact with the community. To show their appreciation, the board gifted the troop with books to add to the library. We're so proud of these young leaders for their dedication to fostering a love of reading and community spirit. In other news, we were thrilled to welcome guest speaker Dino Ambrosi, who led an engaging student assembly at Los Alamitos High School and a parent education night this week on the valuable topic of creating a tech-healthy household. During his presentation, he talked about the importance of setting boundaries, fostering open communication, and helping students balance screen time with real-life connections. And finally, we were thrilled to bring back and announce our August Los Al USD Rockstars of the Month. This initiative was created to celebrate and honor the exceptional contributions made by our dedicated employees who consistently go above and beyond to make a positive impact within the district. Our certificated Rockstar of the Month is David Anderson, music teacher at Weaver and Rossmar Elementary Schools, whose dedication and positive energy inspire everyone around him. And our classified Rockstar of the Month is Yolanda Mortensen, extended daycare supervisor, who is the energy behind our before and after school programs. And that's the wrap up for this week. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful weekend.